Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Asana's My Tasks to organize your daily work. First up, open Asana and navigate to My Tasks. Here you will see all tasks assigned to you. The reason we start here is because My Tasks is your personalized to-do list within Asana, helping you to prioritize your work with ease. Now let's sort these tasks. You can sort your tasks by due date, project, or priority. Let's say we choose due date. This helps us because it allows you to see what tasks need your immediate attention and which ones can be scheduled for later. Next up, organize tasks into sections. Click Add Section and label it as Today, Upcoming, or Later. This step is important as it helps you focus on what needs to be done now and what can be scheduled for a future date. Now that we've done that, let's talk about marking tasks for priority. To mark a task for today's priority, click on the task and then on Mark for Today. The reason we do this is because it keeps your immediate tasks front and center, ensuring that important tasks don't slip through the cracks. Finally, don't forget to review and update your tasks daily. This is a vital step as it helps you stay on top of your workload and reprioritize tasks as needed. So there you have it. By using Asana's My Tasks to organize your work, you can effectively manage your daily tasks, prioritize your workload, and make your work life a whole lot more manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, stay organized and keep hustling.